Good morning, everybody. It is July 20th, 2022, and I'm back in the coop again. Project of today is getting those baby Shagbark Hickory that my girlfriend gave me as nuts last year that Kevin planted, and now they're making little trees into their own pots. So I'll turn around in a second and just show you how they're in a bin right now, and then I'll put a time lapse on so we can go ahead and see how we do it. Basically, we go ahead and get some pots that we have, and 1 gallon ones, and then also go ahead and use some of the soil that we had before, mix a little perlite in there, and we're going to plant them. I think there's maybe 20 or 30, but we'll see once we get them all out of the bin how many we got. Then we're going to plant them around the property, probably next year. They'll grow up to be big, great trees, and all the squirrels will be very happy. So I'll turn it around just for a second so you can see, and then I'll put it on the time lapse. All right, here we go. So here is the little bin that Kevin put the nuts in last fall, and we weren't sure if they were going to come up, but we got some weeds in here, but a lot of these trees, so I'm quite excited. I got prepared a few of the pots to plant in. I'm doing 10 at a time. As you can see, it's some soil from outside, and some of the perlite and starter seed soil mixed in. So I'm going to put about half in the pot and then get the little babies out. I think what I'm going to do is just take this and dump it on its side so it slowly comes out on the table. I don't want to yank the roots, and damage them, so be as gentle as we can. And then once I have each individual in a pot, then I'll gently put the soil around it, and we'll bring them over here and put them inside for a while so we can keep a really good eye on them. It's very bright sun out there, and it's like mid-90s, and kind of hot and stressful for a plant that just got its new pot. So at least they'll be inside. There is a fan on in here. This is a southern window, so they get plenty of light, but I can baby them until I know that they're settled in their new home. Just like we have some starter little oaks here, etc. So I'll turn around this way, and I'll get that time lapse going, and I'll show you how many we ended up getting at the end. Meanwhile, take care. See you in a little bit. Bye-bye. Hi again, everybody. It is still July 20th, and I just got done with the planting of the Shagbark Hickory, and someone's trying to climb up my leg. Oh, could you imagine? It's Timmy Toosters. Hold on a second, please. So I wanted to show you what we ended up getting done. I'm gonna have to pick him up because he's special in his own little way. Okay, there we go. I had the time lapse on, so we'll attach that to this. And then we ended up getting 37 of them. I didn't think there were that many in that blue little tote thing, but amazingly there was. So I put them over here. I'll show you. Turn around. There we go. So they're all lined up here. We'll keep them here for a while before we put them outside. They had been outside, so it would be like a big shock for them, but I wanted to go ahead and give them a couple days at least in here. I watered them really well so that the air pockets along the roots would fill in with the soil and give them the best chance possible. So thank you, Jane, for giving us Shagbark Hickory nuts. And we will grow these and either sell some or plant them around the property. And he is making this very difficult for me to talk. So you guys have a great day. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you find it helpful or entertaining. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.